United States is the home of the movies. American filmmakers produce thousands of movies here in Hollywood. But Americans don't just make movies, they watch them too. Today, there are almost 6,000 movie theaters in the U.S. There are huge movie theaters and small movie theaters. And they show all kinds of movies. Over the last century, movie theaters have changed dramatically. But this movie theater in Williamsburg, New York, looks like it hasn't changed since the 1920s. Nighthawk Cinema combines the best of modern and classic cinema. Nighthawk's owners took old movie equipment from other movie theaters and they beautifully recreated an old-fashioned lobby, ticket booth, and theater. The theater still shows old movies, too. Every day, Nighthawk's staff carefully chooses old and new movies. They show some movies on 35mm film. Movie theaters have used this kind of film for over a century. Nighthawk also shows modern digital films. And they sell movies on DVD. But Nighthawk Cinema doesn't just show or sell movies. They give you the whole movie-going experience. Have you ever eaten in a movie theater? No? Well, you can here. Each of these seats has a table. Here, you can eat gourmet food and have a drink. Nighthawk Cinema is a modern movie theater that hasn't forgotten cinema's fascinating history.